Good morning, viewers. Well, my garden in Bacolod City is absolutely full of papaya at the moment. None of them are ripe. I've got round ones, I've got long ones, and I'm going to make some Atchara today. Got to do something with them. I'll get one more papaya. I like these big round ones. They're probably almost a kilo each. Very good, no blemishes on them. These are decent green papayas, these are. This one I've picked because it's going to be ripe soon. Don't use this for Atchara. Right, first thing, let's peel it. That was quick. Let's do another. Well, today I'm making Atchara, which is basically a green papaya pickle with a few other ingredients in it as well. It's pickled in vinegar and it goes with all Filipino foods, especially grilled fish, grilled meats, pork chops, even fried chicken. First I'm going to peel these papayas. They've got to be grated after this. And they're great papaya. The vegetables in Atchara are marinated in a sweet and sour sauce, made of vinegar and sugar and a few spices, ginger, garlic and peppercorns. And I'll do my best not to cut my fingers off. Two papayas peeled. Okay. Then you've got to chop these papaya. And they're a lot tougher than you think. Being unripe, they're very, very hard. So just scrape that out before I start grating. And when finished grating, it looks like this. This is the papaya, all grated. What I have to do is mix it with salt, about a quarter of a cup of salt, and it immediately goes smaller and shrinks as the salt takes all the water out of it. This has to go in the fridge tonight, or the refrigerator, or the ref, wherever you're from. Bit more salt on top. And in it goes for the night. Make sure it's sealed so it doesn't absorb any flavours. And I'll see you again in the morning. Right, I've got to get some ginger. I need some ginger and I've got some here. Yep, you don't get fresher than this. The papaya was straight off the tree. The ginger, fresh this morning. I've also had to go to the market to buy an onion, a couple of peppers, a couple of carrots, Got a green pepper and a couple of green chilies, which will add a little bit of spice to it, I guess. Right, clean my ginger. So these are my spices for this dish. Ginger, garlic and peppercorns. Right, preparing all the vegetables now. So chop up your peppers and get rid of the seeds. Obviously you can't grate a pepper, so it's going to have to be sliced really thin. And you've got to get as much water out as you can. Squeeze it as hard as you can. You want the papaya as dry as possible. And after squeezing, this is what's left. My papaya, my carrots and my other vegetables. All getting ready to go now. Okay, I'm going to fill this pan with vinegar. I'm going to finish this pack. Put the heat on. I'm going to add sugar. This is to make a base for the sweet and sour sauce, or the sweet and sour brine as they call it, which goes into the Atchara. Put plenty of sugar in. I put more than a cup in. I'm using Silver Swan today. Now throw the ginger and garlic in. Lots of ginger and garlic in there. So it's sweet, it's sour, peppercorns as well, and it's slightly spicy. This is the brine that the papaya and all the vegetables will marinate in. Now I'm putting in the onions, the peppers, the chili. Now add the raisins. Give it all a stir. Get it up to the boil. Then add your carrots. And get it back up to the boil again. Then it's pretty much done. Then you have your sweet and sour vegetable mix and your papaya. Got to mix them together. I like to do it slowly. It's easier to mix than dumping it all in one, and everything gets coated evenly that way. That's what I think anyway. If you think I'm doing this all wrong, feel free to say in the comments. Then you've basically got to mix it all together. And then we've got some brine left. I've also got some leftover brine as well, which I'll use later if I need to fill up the cans at the end. But basically, mix it all together. When all that's finished, get some glass jars or something similar. I prefer glass jars, and fill them up with your Atchara. And make sure when they're full, top it off with the brine. There's plenty of brine underneath there, right to the top of the vegetables. And after all that work, from the garden to the table, you've got Atchara, bottled, just like in the shops. I got 9 pieces, and it cost me altogether 200 pesos. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.